So, all you really need is some cologne, bottle, and crappy fucking napkins from some random place. Put 4 holes in the bottle, just around the bottle. Make sure you spray the top. Yeah, 4 holes. We've done this a couple times, so just a little bit. All right. Make sure you also spray the top with your cologne or whatever you want to use. Anything flammable, really. Roll the paper in there up. Light the top. You got low fire. For extra ordinary fun, light one of the holes. Have fun with your day.
Or you can spray something on there. Show them on seat fire.
Oh yeah, or you can have a seat fire, which I do not recommend. But since it's my truck, I don't really give a flying fuck. Just spray it on a random spot. And then guess what? Go to town with your lighter. And then have some more fun. Don't try this at home. Only in your car or truck. Alright.